Alright, well this doesn't really run all that fast on here. But I think those little PCs here, they've got a equivalent of an SSD because they're M.2 SATA. And they're not NVMe, which would be even more fast. Is that even proper English? They'd be even more better. I'm going to go ahead and just restart this thing, and I'll see if it boots into this. It probably will not. We're going to hit F11 as soon as the thing comes up. So I think Light Linux is based off of Sans Disk. I think it is based off of... wait a minute. Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. My bad. We want the new disk. The new disk. And I have not removed it. Or did I do with it? No, I did. Yes. This is going to be MX Linux, which I think quite possibly might be the best thing since sliced bread. And we did not get to it in time. Now this was the last one to install, so it actually took over the menu. So in order to find regular Ubuntu, it's kind of hard. Okay, F11, F11, F11. Do. Okay. So it should be... There we go. General USB. This one is some on brand. Here we go. MX Linux. I did have trouble with this on one of them. Okay. All right. Back to main menu. Okay. What I like about this one is the graphics, the desktop and all that is pretty crisp. All right, let's see what we got here. I don't know what this one's based off of, so I just really like this one. There's like an install spot, I think. Oh yeah, right here. Let's see. So it looks a little bit different, the setup. And then it's kind of like, what would you like to do? I don't know if I'm going to be able to use the whole entire thing. But I think what I will do... let me see what it does if I click next. I'm just going to wipe out everything on here. So, yeah. Alright. Let's see. Good Lord. Alright. You're not sure what it's doing. It says adjusting your sound mixer. Yeah. MX Linux attempts to configure the sound mixer for you, but sometimes it will be necessary to turn up the volume and unmute the channels in the mixer. In order to hear the sound, the mixer shortcut is located in the menu. Click on it to open up the mixer. Okay, well, I don't really care about all that right now. Let's see here. Updating INITRAMFS. Oh, I just seen a little speaker pop up in the corner. So I guess it got done doing that. Alright. Ooh, reboot. It is called Librido. So this is based off of the other one. What the heck is it? MX Linux is based off of another form of Linux, which is based off of something else, I think. Oh man, I don't know why I can't remember anymore. Okay, you need to pull the drive out. Okay. But yeah, this is like my new favorite one. I really, really like the way it looks, like how it boots. It's pretty quick. So this is booting on a spinning hard drive. We have 8 gigs of RAM. We're on an i5-8400, which is basically 4 cores, 6 threads, something like that. And I think it's at like almost 4 gigahertz. So we could add more RAM to this. I have more RAM to put in here, but what I wanted to do is I want to get 2 sticks of either 18 or 16 matching RAM and put it in here. So, see, it looks pretty cool. And when it does that, when it's loading, it's not quite there yet. And then it wants my login, so we get over here. And I learned that the automatic login doesn't seem to work on some of these, so it's better to just go ahead and skip it, I guess. Because what happened last time I did one of these was it had no root account for some reason, or it was confused, and so it ended up being like I couldn't do anything. So this is MX Linux, and change the speed of my mouse. There we go, pretty snappy. We get that there. Here's some information. What I like is it's got the clock here. It tells me hard drive is at 2%, memory is at 11, CPU is at 9 or 14. It's changing. You have all that like right there. That's like critical information, and it's not obtrusive or anything like that. I used to run Windows back in the day. I don't know if it was Windows 7. It would have all that little gauges, like RPM gauges. So you go down here, and you have this style of a deal here. System, you click on that, and then like everything goes to the left for some reason on this one. MX Tools, multimedia. Yeah, I automatically have like VLC. I don't know what Strawberry Media Player is. I've not seen that one before. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and see how long it takes for it to open. And that is Strawberry, which looks like a version of Amarok. Alright. So, your collection is empty. Alright, we'll close that out for now. So you got a bunch of stuff here, unmount, updates, Ethernet speaker file system, which is all pretty self-explanatory. It's not quite as much like Windows as the other one that I showed you guys, but you get recently used, all applications, and also you can search for anything that you might want to look for. Development, games, graphics is going to be document scanner. There's stuff. Internet is Firefox, MX View, transmission for torrents. Multimedia is going to be ALSA mixer, a Sunder CD Ripper, GMTP, a simple MTP client for MP3 players, GUVC View, webcam, Pulse Audio, Strawberry, VLC, and XF Burn. So I wonder if that can do LightScribe. Not sure, but I mean, you look at it, I mean, it's just pretty snappy. Burn image, burn blank disk, audio CD, actions. Okay. Go ahead and close that. So really nice, simple. Looks nice, runs quick. So that's MX Linux, guys. And I think this is like way better than any other stuff. Now, I don't know what it uses for its package manager stuff. I think it has an ability to run Flatpak, which is... Oops, don't let me knock things over. Let me get in here. I think you can do Flatpak, which is going to make things a lot easier for certain things. I'm pretty sure I seen something for Flatpak. Reload. One of these ones I was using, I installed OBS Studio through the Flatpak, which is the best way to do it. OBS Studio, if you do it through Ubuntu, sometimes it doesn't really work correctly. Let's see what it loads. Alright, well. I'm trying to think where I might have seen the Flatpak. We have MX package installer. Okay, we have development. MX tools. Disk manager, deb installer. Chroot rescue scan. There's a whole bunch in here. You don't see it unless you start scrolling through here. MX package installer. Sound. Mature. Manager. User installed packages. So maybe this wasn't the one that did all the Flatpak stuff, but whatever. Okay, so we should be able to click over here. Synaptic. So it uses Synaptic Package Manager. Let me see, just out of curiosity. OBS. And it'll usually be listed as Obsidian. We'll click that one and that one. Wait. Where'd it go? Ah, man, I forgot. Why is it not doing it now? Find RFI and radio astronomical observations. Okay. Let's just check with OBS. OBS. We get a bunch of stuff for OBS. We would probably want to do, like, how do we do settings? I can't remember how to do this. Now you gotta do this. Mark for installation. You have to right click all of them. Mark. So this is kind of annoying. I just want to select all and then click this, but I don't know how to do it from here. Alright. There should be another one for actions. Right. Alright. To be installed. So let's see if this, how well this works. So I don't know which one had flat pack, and that would be really good to have on here, because this may or may not work right. I use OBS Studio quite a bit for screen capture and streaming the vertical stream. The other thing too, so the vertical stream is really important for this channel because it puts me in the shorts feed, so then I can get new subscribers, because people actually start doom scrolling through the live feeds and they come upon the stream. And so it also introduces non-ham people to ham radio and stuff like that. So I mean, I do a lot of different stuff on this channel, but the main focus is usually, around ham radio. Let's see here. We'll come back when this is done. Changes applied. Close. And let's go in here and see. Programs. Desktop. LMN. Where's that? OBS Studio. Let's see if it works. There it is. Cool. Alright, that's my basic requirements. So I have to be able to run OBS. I'll test it out later, but anyway, I just wanted to share this one with you guys. It seems like it works pretty good on a spinning hard drive. It seems like it's actually a little bit faster than Linux Lite.